Last year, I had the opportunity to visit and explore stunning Unalaska Dutch Harbor, located along Alaska's remote Aleutian chain extending westwards across the Pacific towards Asia. If you haven't yet seen that full-length short film, you can find a direct link to it in the description below. Dutch Harbor is world-renowned for its king crab fishing industry, made famous by the Discovery Channel's hit show The Deadliest Catch. And in this video, I take you behind the scenes on the ground in Dutch Harbor as the cast and crew prepare for filming of season 20 of this iconic American reality show. Until now, this footage was locked under a strict publication ban, sitting in moratorium on my hard drive until the season was ready to be released on television and I received the go-ahead from the producers. Join me as I take you on board the Titan Explorer, meet Captain Jake Anderson, and check out the season 20 set where all the interviews happen, filmed right here on the ground in Unalaska Dutch Harbor. This is my behind-the-scenes peek at season 20 of Discovery Channel's The Deadliest Catch.
I have a guest from Canada, and
Hey.
he's just doing coverage.
Hey, how you doing? Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm Jake Anderson.
Jake Anderson.
He's the captain.
Captain of the Deadliest Catch boat. Do you mind being on camera?
Oh.
All right, sounds good.
Hi, I'm Captain Jake Anderson, and I've been on the show for 17 years.
17 years, wow.
I own this boat right here. the
Yeah.
Saga.
Okay, yeah, Saga, yeah.
And then this is the newest boat in our Deadliest Catch fleet.
Titan Explorer. Wow.
Titan Explorer. And then there's another one, Pacific Mariner.
Yeah.
That's another new one in our fleet this year. I think there's two new ones. Titan Explorer and Pacific Mariner.
Yeah.
The American Lady, this white boat right here, that's our chase boat.
Yeah.
She'll follow us out in storms. Not a very fun job.
No, sure. Yeah. When does it get the worst? I guess like December or?
Like February 1st.
February 1st.
Is
that right?
I don't know.
Wow, okay.
I swear it's like clockwork.
Yeah. It just gets bad, eh? Wow.
February and March are our worst months.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
But it can get bad any
And I mean, when you're watching the show, you don't know it's that small. Like it's actually it's a pretty small boat compared to what you'd think it would be, right? You don't really get the sense of it, but it's like that would be absolutely terrifying to be out there.
So when you know it gets bad is when you see the waves above the mast.
Wow, the waves get that high.
When you're like,
that's
okay,
crazy.
Guys, maybe we should slow down.
Yeah.
The guys on the deck, typically the professionals, they're having fun.
Sure. Yeah.
So they're typically not scared then.
Yeah.
That's what they've trained for. They
Sure.
want to do that. But when you're up in the wheelhouse and you're responsible for their lives,
Yeah.
you've got to call
More
it.
pressure. Yeah, sure. Yeah. When do you have to turn around? Like when do you make that call that you just can't continue?
You'll either follow your gut.
Yeah.
You don't want to follow greed.
Sure,
You
yeah.
never want to make a decision on desperation.
Yeah.
So let's say you've lost your business and you need the money and you're desperate. You don't want to make a decision then to fish in the weather. For me, it's a professional sport.
Yeah.
To be a deckhand.
Yeah.
A crab boat. And so we'll meet. If everybody's like, yeah, I'm ready. I want to get some.
Yeah.
Then you know that they're alert, they're focused.
Yeah.
They're going to watch out for each other and they're hungry. But if you see they're tired, beat,
Yeah.
you don't want to push.
Don't push them. Yeah.
25, 30 foot seas.
Yeah. Fair. Yeah.
And that's when you see the captains get frustrated too, because you'll still want to haul because you're making lots of money.
Yeah.
But you can't push them any farther.
Sure.
So they're going to get hurt.
Yeah.
So you just beat them up mentally instead.
Oh, fair enough. And how?
I think it's just human.
Yeah. Sure.
It's natural.
How long do you go out? Average trip?
The longest trip I've done was 35 days and 20
35 days. Wow. That's crazy.
Nice.
Yeah. Wow. Average though, what would it run roughly?
Oh, anywhere from 2 days to 10 days.
2 to 10 days. Okay. Yeah.
This boat, though, it carries so much crab, you'd be looking at maybe the best case 3 days.
3 days. Okay.
Really on good.
Yeah. Wow.
So what do you like about your new vessel compared to your old one?
This boat can carry a lot more gear. It's a lot faster.
Can we take a peek inside?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. All right, we're gonna head on the Titan Explorer and check out this working Deadliest Catch. crabbing boat. And that's the camera right there, the professional. Wow, Deadliest Catch, very cool. So this season will be like next year, like a year or so to get on there. Just still on Discovery?
Yeah, it's you're season 20 for them.
Season 20, yeah, wow. Really cool. Very cool. You just have this on your doorstep, eh?
It's pretty amazing.
It is, yeah, wow.
And I know majority of the captains. So,
Yeah. And you always have a producer on board?
So they have 2 cameramen.
Yeah.
One's a producer and one's an assistant.
Yeah. Wow. All right, we're heading inside. This actual Deadliest Catch boat. Very cool. Oh, wow.
Hey, how you doing?
How's it going?
Good to see you. Fine, very good.
Hey, David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. This is the kitchen, eh?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's a big one, man.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Crazy.
It's
Well, I never thought I'd be on a Deadliest Catch boat, so very cool. All right, heading upstairs. Wow, this is so cool to get a sense of what it's like to be on a real Deadliest Catch boat. Oh, dark up here. Looks like living quarters here. Very cool. And this for production? Yeah, wow. Very cool. So I can monitor the camera views and everything. Wow. Very cool. So what company produces this? Just Discovery sends their crew, or?
It's Original Productions.
Original Productions, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, they got all their gear. Very cool. How long is your production season? Like, how long are you on the boat for?
For me, I was on the boat last season. I won't be on.
Okay.
Out at sea, but these guys can go anywhere for 6 to 7 weeks,
Yeah.
depending how long it takes.
Wow. You got cameras everywhere, eh?
You've cleared the wheelhouse.
Copy that. Do we need to tilt down at all?
I'd give it a little tilt if you got it.
Right.
We're gonna start. Yeah, we're getting a little
Stuck a
bit of
hat and
wheelhouse
hoodie
back
if you
in,
got
but
it.
It's way better. So that's going to be the trade-off, is we have tilt and some wheelhouse, unless you can push it a little forward.
That's so cool. Never thought I'd get to, you shouldn't even tell me that what we're doing today. So it's like, oh, good to see how the Deadliest Catch is filmed. Well, thank you. I thought you were going to point out a boat and say that's the Deadliest Catch boat. Yeah. Very cool.
This one will be a little harder to see, but when you get a chance
We saw the
under
one
the
below.
crane,
Yeah.
you'll see the grip for it. It's next level. You can hang
Wow.
those things.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, that was very, very cool. And I love it. It's not touristy. You know, it's not artificial. It's not fabricated. It's, yeah. Wow. So this is the housing, eh? Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, they bolt that right in then, eh? Yeah, that's not moving. Wow. Very cool. That was so cool. Thank you so much. All right, we're checking out the Deadliest Catch set. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is season 20? Yes. Yeah. Wow. Very cool. So when you're tuning in on the Discovery Channel, make note of this set. And is the water kind of for effect? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So they have it all lit where it's at, and then everything is, these barrels are actually a light and propane flames. So
Oh, wow.
it's really cool when you
Yeah.
and have a few of those scattered around.
Yeah.
So it looks very different when it's all lit.
So we were just on the, what's Jake's new one?
Which one is he on? I can't even think.
I know. It's so new to me that I'm like, I can't remember the name, but I.
Titan something with it?
Titan Explorer.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is where they interview the ship captains. Wow, and that is the dream right there. My goodness, amazing. Hollywood video camera. And that's where the interviews happen, right here. Really cool.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when new episodes are posted. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.